Were you the people that came 3 days ago? You couldn't tell you say no. Na her colleague na come. Vous rigolez avec moi ou pas? J'ai pas compris. When they laugh me, when they answer, what's when they talk? What's when they try? What you You're very, very stupid though. You cried out on what is Enogie giving you? Let me tell you something, eh? The fast you walk out from that relationship that you're claiming that you're in, see baby, no call me. The fast you walk out from that relationship, the better for you. So that relationship will go send you to your early grave. The better, like the faster you walk out from that relationship, the better for you, Sophia. Like, seriously. I expected you to come say that it's a prank. That was what I expected you to come and do. I don't expect anything less from you. You see my live video, I said you were going to come out and I said that it's a prank. Because I see you as this woman who is very desperate. Your desperation is in the other level. You know me. I know when you are joking, Sophia. You people saw when I did prank with Sophia, she never showed her face. Talk less of coming to cry on live video. Did she show her face? She did not show her face. Let me give you guys a simple example that was not a prank. When she was doing prank with me, did she show her face? Sophia is someone. Prank with tears. Prank with frustration on your face. Prank with a lot of depression surrounding you. Prank with heartbroken. Like, men looking at you, we know you are depressed. Men, like, looking at you, at your face, the way you came out on live video, the way you act sometimes, we know that you're not okay with your relationship. You don't even have to tell us. We know that you are not okay with your relationship. Listen, you people should listen to me. Listen to me. When Sophia was doing prank with me, did she show her face when she was insulting me? You see, Mama Nora, I know her. I don't play with her. I don't fight with her. And I believe that she knows me too. I know her. I don't play with Mama Nora. I don't play with Mama Nora, Sophia. I don't fight with her. And I don't play prank with her. And if she come outside, when she hide her face, she know they show her face. When I go no say yes, she hide her face. Listen, guys, listen to me. I don't have much time to waste because my boyfriend will still call me. I'm not feeling fine, actually. I'm not okay. My leg dislocated, so I'm feeling pains in my leg. As you can see, I am still visiting the hospital. I'll visit another hospital tomorrow. I'm not okay. But I have to, like, address this issue. You can't be depressed and you're fighting. You can't be depressed and you're trying to cover up your depression. No! They don't cover up depression. Once you speak out, you are free from it. You have to speak out. That's the way it say it in your mind. So you have to open your mouth and speak it out. Then depression will leave you by then. But once the fact is that you're covering your depression, it will eat you up. It will consume you. You know when you the corridor, don't say, Perry is depressed, Perry is depressed. I look you, I laugh. Because you don't know what it means to be well. T-Boss Queen! My baby! Forget it, I go slide into your DM. More talk. How they go turn? What's happen for my two kuro eye? You people are calling it prank. Like, seriously? Let me give you guys an example. Sophia is that person who is she's a very shy person. You understand? Let me tell you guys something about Sophia that I learned from her family members. Is that she's a very shy person, a very respectful person. But Sophia changed since the very first day, the day she met Enogie, her life changed. Sophia's statement was that I started to do live video because Enogie, they make money for live video. I have the record. I know they talk without proof. No one thing I don't do. I don't come on live video to lie. I don't talk without proof. I don't come on live video to lie, and I don't talk without proof. This is me. When I'm telling you something, sit down and listen to me and note it down that Perry said this. They said that Sophia is a very very, very intelligent person. Sophia was a cool girl, a nice girl. They said Enogie is her problem. And Sophia made a statement that Enogie tell me, say, live video, they pay them better money. Now make her they do live video. That was what Sophia said. And I have the voice record of she saying it. It was sent to me. I have a lot of proof that I can post. People will say it. You can't tell me it's a prank. I am not a fool. Ask people about Perry. I work with some social. I work with social. The fact that I choose to be a nurse does not mean I don't work with socials also. There are some cases that they will bring to me. They will call me to the office to address it. There are some girls that want to stop prostitution. They will call me to come talk to them. They don't want to accept it. They don't want to stop. Like, they will call me like, can you please come and talk to them? Like, give them the hope. Like, I'm a Nigerian girl. I'm not into prostitution. Like, you know what? So I work with socials. And you understand me? When that woman walked into your house, Sophia, you said, who are you? And you said, that if na Nigerian person voice, I go slap you, Amara. If the Nigerian person voice, I hear for that background, I go say on a plan. That was a white woman speaking. I don't speak German. I don't speak German. I speak French. Mais, quand je parle français, you go see a black person speaking French. When a black person is speaking French, you know this is a black person speaking French. When a white person is speaking French, you know this is a white person speaking French. So when that woman was talking, I clearly heard a white woman speaking. You can't tell me it's a prank. What? Like you can't say me it's a prank. You can deceive those. Oh, my boyfriend is calling me. Baby, wait. Amarachi, go tell my boyfriend, say I did live video. Okay? Go tell Larissa I did live video. Amarachi, I can send you message. Tell us how they cost for Allah for Facebook. Just tell them for me. Tell us I'll call them back. Let me tell them. You can't tell me that was a prank. Share the live video, give them. Make her watch your baby doing great things on Facebook. You can't tell me. You can't tell me. Tell him. Share the live video. Give him. Tell me he can't watch me speaking English. I'm making him proud on Facebook. My friend don't tell her for me. You can't tell him. Yes, Simple. Let's go and tell him. You can't tell me that was a prank, Mama Nora. I go Instagram now. Go, my baby. Thank you so much. Let me tell him. Tell us I make it come. Make him watch me finding problem on Facebook. You can't tell me that was a prank, Mama Nora. You can't tell me it was a prank. What do you take us for? We are stupid people. We don't know ourselves. No, tell that to your followers. Tell that to those people who believe in you. Tell that to those women, to those people who believe in you, in your lies. The very first day I know say, now life when, okay, mouth. If I'm lying this night, man, I'll wake up the next day. The very first day I know say, now life when, okay, and in baby mama mouth. Now when they talk say, I say I want to prank, make I say build my page. Now I know say these people they lie. Because they came to me that they want to do prank. And the next thing they say, now me, Perry Golden, now me ask for prank. That was when I know so these people are crooks. If you don't get close to them, you will never know how they lie. You have to get close to them and know their level of liars. They lie so much. These people are typical. Like, these people lie a lot. Too much of lies that they said on me. You think that you lying on me will bring me down? It's been 3 months now. It's been 3 months now and I'm still here. And I'm waiting for your downfall. Because you will fall. Because you will fall. You will definitely fall. Enogie, I'm promising you that you will fall. See that by taking my name to the juju, taking my name to shrine, you want to kill me, you want to do this, you want to do that. No! You can't do me anything. I said to you people, if I fit touch one hair for this hair, then I'm not Perry Golden. I don't stand with my mama. I don't stand with anybody. I stand on my own gidigba. And when I'm talking, I know what they talk. Forget say me, I they talk anyhow. I too they talk. Now maybe perigoding. You don't feel hurts me. You know why? Because I stand on my own. I stand by myself. If I die today, believe me, I die on my own. Now my death, I die. Nobody can touch me. I've been waiting for 3 months now. I've been waiting to die. You come out on live video, fool yourself. Fool yourself. And the next thing you want to talk, say, nah, prank. I don't understand. Sophia, you are depressed. You are depressed and you have to admit that you are depressed for us to help you out. Because if not, I promise to add to your depression. I promise to add to your depression. It's not by coming to a live video to come and blab, to come and say rubbish. Me perigoding, I dey work on wetin I dey work on. My lawyer never contact me. I know me say my lawyer no they do wetin they do. You understand me so? My lawyer never contact me. I know me say me. I don't know wetin I dey do. Ask them. They're investigating me and you case. Yes, they're investigating our case. Because I'm not gonna rest. For you to say that I poisoned Yvonne, I'm not gonna rest. You understand? Now me come out on the 30th. I said I dropped this case because my social asked me to drop it. And now you come live video today. Before I do this live video, I tell them I want to do live video. I'm not fit. I want to reply this woman. You know, now see when I did live video that time. My social day down. Waiting they bring for me. I will gladly show you guys. This is the book of where I take everything way day here. I wait till I take go give my own statements against Enogie. You can't. You can't just come and be fooling yourself on social media. Now, Mama Nura came out. Mama Nura came outside to come and cry for help. Mama Nura came outside to cry. She came outside to cry for help. All those old women where they support Enogie. Don't go tell them, say, if they disgrace your husband, it's a disgrace to your family. It's not a disgrace, Sophia. It's not a disgrace. The better you speak out for yourself, the faster you speak up, the better for you. Or else, my sister, depression is real. If you die out of depression, who will take care of your beautiful children? Like you said, your children are beautiful, right? Who will take care of them if you die because you are depressed? Since you born your children go rich today. Since you born your children go rich today, no peace of mind. Your children never rest. From one problem to another. From one problem to another. And you want us to believe that you are okay. You want us to believe that you are okay. From one problem to another. From one problem to another. Since you give birth to your children, you have never stopped. No problem. Okay. Always on live video. Causing problem. Now you have the boldness, the courageousness. You have the mind to come speak out for yourself. And they want to shut you up. And you actually want to be shut up because of what people will say about you. You don't want people to talk about you. You don't want people to mock you. That is the main reason why you are covering it up. Like you want to cover it. I did nothing wrong. And it's a prank. What the hell? What the fuck? What is a prank? Am I blind? Am I deaf? Even if I don't finish school, I know my level of education. I don't message your baby. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much, my love. Even if I don't go school, I know my level of education. When you speak, I sit down and listen. I watched your live video from the beginning to the end. I didn't drop a comment. When somebody tagged me, I watched Kirky first. I go kill you. Sleepless. When somebody tagged me on that video, I came in. I was watching. I watched to the end of that video. The same social way be say, you come your house today. We want to hear the same voice because I have the voice of the woman. Call her and put the phone on her face for her to tell us that it was a prank. The same lady, because she said we, and you say Do you people want to come in? He said, we want to come in. A lot of them came. Go on live video, Sophia. Bring those people. Bring them. Set your camera. Face it, and for them to say, yes, we left our work, our office to come to your house, to come crack a prank with you. You just come live video, you just come, they talk anyhow. Just they talk anyhow. They talk anyhow. Me wait, I don't leave on. Now they phone herself again. So let me leave you guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for me to die. You people threaten me with death. You people threaten me with a lot of things. Threaten me with a lot of things. I have the proofs. I just stay. I just dey look on her. I just stay. I just dey look on her. Then you come out. Boldly come out. Say na prank. You do. Are you not ashamed of yourself, Sophia? Like waiting Enogie won't give you where you, like, do you think because you're a single mother you don't have a life no more? Do you think because you're a single mother your life is finished, it's over for you? No, it's not over for you. People give birth to 5 children and they end up getting married to a very rich and wealthy man. People give birth. You understand? People give birth and they still end up marrying a very good man. They still end up, they get married to a very good and rest, like they get married to someone very nice. You can't be fooling yourself. Justice for Mama Nora. Mama Nora need help. Mama Nora, let me tell you something. If your depression pass that one, so don't they come your house, they will take your children away from you. The better, the faster you pursue Enogie come up for your house and stay with your children. You don't need Enogie. Enogie know they give you money. You know they give you anything. You don't need Enogie to take care of your children. I'm advising you as a small sister you are to me. Because you're very, very little to me. Compared to me, you are a little person. I see you as a child. Compared to me. I see you as a child. Enogie know they give you anything. Enogie know they take care of children. Nothing. You said it with your fucking dirty mouth. Enogie know they give you anything. Nothing when Enogie they give you. Why are you covering me up? Push him out. Push him out from your house. Push him out from your house. Push him out from your house. Push that idiot out. Continue being stupid. Continue foolishing yourself with Enogie. Believe me, you will end up as a mad person. And once you end up as a mad person, Social will take your beautiful children away from you. Sit down and think. Think about how you were in the labor room. Think about how you felt. I don't say you don't value your children. Because when I was even saying your children go do this, your children go do that, may God forbid, you don't even value them. You were still fighting. You don't value them. If you start carrying out for your hand, you don't go still value them. That is the fact. And I will tell you the fact. You follow Enogie the fight. You follow Enogie the fight. Look at your house. When you turn your back camera, say, see where the boy back there. I screenshot the part. I will post them later. See where, look at your house where you put children. Be like dog house. Can't even take a broom and sweep your floor. You're on live video making problems, talking up and down, fighting who no fights you. You're on live video fighting up and down with Enogie. Pick up a broom and sweep your house. No. Nehikaba. You won't pick up a broom and sweep your house. Dirty human being. When you turned your back camera, I was like, whoa, this woman is shameless. Dirty human being like you. A house where you have 3 children. You can't keep it clean. What if your children pick something, poof or mouths? Dirty human being. The rug were dirty. Everything around the house were dirty. Must you live dirty? Like everywhere was just dirty human being. They live video. Why tell on live video? Be talking up and down. I don't want to be monetized, sweetheart. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. If I want to be monetized, I have a lot of things I would do. I have a lot of things I would talk about on Facebook. And people will watch me talk. I know people I will drag on social media that have been on my DM saying rubbish. Monetization is not my problem. If it is, I will do what I would do. I only need just 500 followers to complete it. That is just it. I am not after social media money or whatsoever. I'm just telling you because I want to talk. You can't be depressed and you want to cover up your depression with the word that it was a prank. What kind of dirty prank is that? What kind of dirty prank is that? What kind of dirty prank is that? Is that how you guys play? If you don't chase Enogie out of your house, you will lose Enogie, you will lose your children to the government. I'm telling you this. Social don't they come your house now? Social don't come your house 2 times, according to you. Now they come 3 days ago. Abi? Social don't they come your house now? Abi? That is sign of how they go take collect your picking for your heart. Me, I trust Germany government. I trust government. They will collect your children, 3 of them together. Since you have chosen to be a dirty and stupid person. See house. See house may you carry social media enter. See house may you carry social media enter. When you turn your back camera, I say, wow. Wow. That was what I said. Wow. When you turn your back camera, I say, wow. Enogie is depressed. Mama Nora is depressed. You people are depressed. Do you even know? Yes, that is the problem. You don't know. You don't know the meaning of prank. When we did our prank, what we do. Enogie wife show face for live video. She show face and she calls me rich. When I see her face. When I ask Enogie, Sophia calls me rich. When I see her face, Victoria, good evening, ma. When I see her face, as it calls me rich, no. No. You understand? I was the only person showing my face because I don't care. Forget about Enogie wife being so stupid on social media. Her family is very responsible. If you see her sister is very, very responsible. Married to a very gentleman. Apart from Enogie wife being stupid. That's why sometimes when she wants to say something, she don't show her face. Do you know why? Because she knows where she's from. She knows where she's from. When she do some things. When she do some things, she just like cover up her face to do it. Sophia, forget the fact we have issues. I'm just telling you this. Don't give your children to the government. Don't let Germany government take your children away from you. I have lived in a house whereby they keep children. I know how they feel. Those children are suffering. You see the love you give to your children. You make their hairs. They snap your children pictures. Once they deal with social, those things are not valid. The love you give to them, social when you carry them, cannot give it to them. You understand me? So some of them beat up those children without you seeing them. Yes, they will beat them up. You wouldn't know. Don't let anybody take away your children from you because of one man. Like what you said. Now one man you born your pikin for. I'm proud of you. You know it's to born for one man for this Europe. You don't born for one man. Your 3 beautiful daughters. Take care of them. Don't give them out. Don't give. I don't want to know what caused the fight. Don't give your children out. Don't give your children out to the government. If you do that, I will tell you, you have failed as a mother. You know the reason why? No matter how you people try to bring me down, I'm still proud of myself talking about Yvonne because I was there for her to the end. No social took her away from me. Till the end, she was there with me. So if you give out your children to the social, okay, you have failed as a mother. You have failed as a mother. A mother. As a mother, you're supposed to guide and protect your children. As a mother, you're supposed to guide and protect your children. Don't give your children to the social. No matter how desperate you are in being with a man, you said something on your live video, say, if Enogie do bad, you'll push him out. No cover Enogie out. No cover Enogie because of say, waiting people go talk about me. Waiting people go talk, and people say they drink poison. Waiting people go talk, then they say they drink poison. I almost did that. Waiting people go talk. Sophia, calm down. Drink water. Look at your children. Look at the way you carry your pikin. They rub your pikin head. Sophia, the fact I'm laughing at that video does not mean I'm laughing. I felt the love of a mother. I felt your pain. Carry your pikin. They rub and say, they talk to the other one, say, make it sit down. I recorded that part. I swear to God, I'm not trying to be good here. I'm not trying to be a good person here. But I'm trying to tell you how I feel when I was watching those videos. Stop trying to play this trick of I am, it's a prank. We know it's not a prank. Let's go of Enogie. You have your platform now, like you said, you want to be making money on social media. You have your platform now. Let's go of that guy. Let's go of him. He has nothing to offer to you. Let's go of him. Let's go of him. You can fight in the presence of your 3 kids, and you will expect the German government to sit back and watch you. If you give out your children, if your children end up where they are not supposed to end up, with the social, believe me, you are going to be depressed because I will drag you. And a lot of people will drag you. And me, Perry Golden, I promise to drag you. I promise to drag you if social carry your children for your hand. Never let them happen, no. Protect your children. I'm challenging you now. I'm telling you. I'm challenging you now to protect your children. Because if social carry your children for your hand, I will drag you, my love. I promise you that I will drag you in a way. When you go take commit suicide, you no go know. When you go take carry something, you drink and you will die, you no go know. Because that is a promise I'm giving you. I'm making this promise to you. Pick up your pen and paper and write it. That Perry said she will drag you. Look at how you look. You look like a mad person on social media. You always when you come on live video to talk, even when you're on your makeup, you still look like a mad person. Because you don't have peace of mind. You don't have any peace of mind. You've been worried. You've been depressed since the day you gave birth to your children. Peter, don't reply me. If you reply me, you will regret me. You regret it. Peter, don't. Don't. Just hold your peace. Don't, Don't. You don't even have any good thing. No good clothes. No good hair. Nothing. I understand you're a mother. You're trying to, like, but if you have rest of mind, even if na 1 euro you take buy clothes, put them for body, people will respect you. That cloth will fit you. You will wear it with confidence because you have rest of mind. If you test peace of mind for one day, because you can't. Enogie is on live video every fucking day. Every fucking day of his life, he's on live video. And you want us to believe that you're happy. You want us to believe that you are happy. You want us to believe. You can't fool us on. You can't. You know what? You can fool the rest of these people doing. I am not a presenter. You guys should listen to me. I am not a social media presenter. I see something that is not going on, that is going wrong, not going right, I will say it. I am not a presenter. I am not a presenter. I don't even plan to be a presenter. I see something I don't like, this is not going on, I will talk about it. Unless I'm fighting with someone, then I'll be a presenter then. But no. I don't know how much they pay on Instagram. I don't know how much they want to pay or something. But I am not... I love to make my money. I woke up in the morning, I go to work. That is enough for me. Okay? I am not a presenter. But I'm telling you that you feel fool the rest of those people that have called themselves presenter. But you can't fool me. You can't fool me. Okay? You can't fool me, Perry Golden. I'm the last person you can fool. You are depressed, my darling. You are so depressed. Speak out for yourself. Don't be ashamed to speak out. Depression is real. Depression is real. Mispromise, or who will kill you, and you'll get topic will kill you, bastard. You're a very stupid human being to say that. Because you don't see me for live video content for a get topic for a very long time now. Or who will kill you, God will definitely punish you. Bastard. Idiots. Come on, get out from my live video and go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Don't talk to me. I'll be your mates. Should get size. So Enogie, since you have refused to be a father to your children, it's a pity the way God gives children to these useless people. You understand? It's a pity the way God just, because person don't do ashawo tire, he wants to settle down, God will just give him picking. It's a pity. The way be say, God know they see person who want be mother, go give him picking. God just they give picking anyhow, because he's a merciful God. You see me, Perry Golden? No matter how I'm on live video, no matter how I talk on live video, I still get that for myself. The next day, I'm going to work. Enogie, you are not a father. I feel bad for Mama Nora. To be sincere with you all. True talk. I am telling you guys this thing because that is how I feel. I'm speaking my mind. You are not a parent to your children. That is when some people attack me for Yvonne, I feel bad because I know what I know who I was then. I was a mother. A mother. These children have suffered enough. They don't have rest. Let those children rest. Let these children rest. They need rest. That is all they need. Rest. Let them rest. They want peace of mind. Be a mother to your children. I know you love your children so much, Priceless. Sophia, I know you love them so much. I know when someone is attacking your children, you feel bad. I know how much you love your children. But if you want to continue keeping your children close to yourself, push Enogie out. Push him away. I was showing Enogie's video to my boyfriend today. My boyfriend said, for this boy mine now, he's fine. I said, I'm fine boy, you. I'm fine boy. My boyfriend really laugh like, this guy fine. I said, I saw this on social media for Facebook. I just want to let you guys know that that video that happened was not a prank. You know, when you are depressed, you won't even know the time. You'll pick up your phone to do live videos until someone calls you, you know, that maybe somebody will don't call you, they say, wait till you do so, can't talk sense into your head. But you don't already do them. When I was doing some kind of live videos, when Yvonne, you know, I was thinking I was doing the right thing, fighting people for that, fighting Yvonne's father, it's all that. But at the end of the day, what did I find out? I found out that I was doing the wrong thing. But because I was depressed. Yes, I was not okay. If I'm in my right senses, I won't do that. I don't know what why I want to use they talk to Sophia right now. But Sophia, I pray you find peace. And you not take my word as if I fight you, because I'm not fight you. I stand with you actually as a woman supporting woman. But I vex for you, say you come and come talk saying a prank. Wait till all of us see you can't say a prank. Now wait to make me the vex for you be that. When you turn your back phone today, now I see the kind of father we Enogie be. My children cannot live in that kind of environment. I won't let it. I won't let that be my truth. God forbid passing. That was so dirty. No. Well, now what life will you choose for yourself? Yes, woman supporting woman. Today is Women's Day.